Standing outside the Apex Nano Off-Grid. That's just a cool name.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Absolutely.
cool. Super, I don't want to say super compact, but it's compact, but I've been inside. You get everything you need in here.
Absolutely.
I really like this thing. There's something new on it that I have not seen in an RV yet. I'm assuming it's new with 2023. We'll get to that. You're gonna dig it. It's super cool. What do you want to talk about on the outside, first of all?
Well, so it is the 191RBS by Apex Nano. Again, Asdale fiberglass on the exterior, aluminum frames, single axle, kind of your towable by 1500 series trucks, small Jeeps, basically just a small comeback camper. So you hit the nail right on the head. Solar panels on the top roof there, so you are off-grid capable to a degree. All your solar controller, everything is right here in this nice big passenger storage that gives you capability. Of course, you got a 12-volt charger down here, nice accessibility to everything. Huge automotive glass here for when you're laying in bed, you could open that up and see the outside. And of course, the what you had mentioned, which you're going to be able to see better from the inside, the Stargazer moonroof up there.
Did you say the Stargazer?
Stargazer.
So you're gonna nibble on some stars through the night. That's the Stargazer or the Stargazer.
Yeah, absolutely.
Dalton's like, I'm done. Can I get a new host? I can't stand this guy.
That's all right. I'll pick on you, you pick on me. That's how it works. But awesome little camper. Pretty basic on the outside, but let's check out the inside.
So Rick from Colorado is asking about the tires. Can they upgrade to a knobbier tire, or you've seen some of them that are a little more rugged looking?
Yeah, they do get a little bit more rugged, I believe, but it is an upgrade on these campers.
Okay.
But yeah, they're awesome.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So let's jump inside. I want you guys to see this this Stargazer. This is awesome. It's the first thing I noticed when I walked in because I hadn't seen these in any model until this one here, and it's the moonroof, the sunroof, whatever you want to call it.
Yes, that big Stargazer moonroof basically is what it is.
Yeah. And already they're already asking, does it open?
Oh yeah, it opens.
Yeah.
So you have basically there's 6 locks across there, and then once you have them all undone, where's the last one?
Oh yeah, there's a little hydraulics there.
Yep. Nope. Basically just push it straight up. It's all the way open, allows plenty of vent there. And if you want to keep the bugs and the raccoons and stuff out, basically just close this.
That is...
And it locks into place.
Daggone, I want one of those in my house. That's sweet to actually open it up and have a screen so you get the cool air if you want it. And
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's worth the price of admission right here. I have a feeling a lot of you right now are like, okay, that's the one I want because of that. I don't know why they haven't thought of that yet.
A lot of people are nervous about the leaking and everything, but they've done a really good job of sealing this in, making sure it's good to go, and with all those locks around it.
Well, I was gonna say it looks quality. I mean, it looks like it's not. This is thick. It looks like they really put some work into making sure it stays dry inside this thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just as long as you remember to close. It's not gonna stay dry if you leave this open and it starts raining. So you have to remember to close it.
Yep.
Other than that, you're gonna stay dry. So the bedroom, here we are.
Yep, of course, bedroom. Queen size bed. There's that big automotive window. We got the blind down so that way you keep a little bit private in here.
Yeah.
Cabinetry on both sides, nice and easy access.
Yep. Deep.
Yeah, deep cabinets.
Yeah.
And of course, storage underneath the bed as well.
Great.
For all your clothes and everything.
Yeah. Then you get your wardrobe on either side for your hangy clothes. Plenty of room in there. So you have a lot of storage for, you're not going to have a lot of people in this room, so you got a lot of space for the amount of people you're going to have in this room.
Definitely a sweetheart camper, made for 2 people, but they do have bunkhouse options and everything in this line, so yeah.
Of course, you can go to RV Wholesalers and kind of design your own if you want to.
Oh yeah.
Which is fun to do, actually. Even if you're just kind of dreaming at this point, or just kind of shopping around to see what's best for you, go and design your own RV. See what works best for you. And if you do have another kid with your 2 kids and you're kind of squeezing them in here just for fun, this breaks down into a bed.
Yep, breaks down into a bed. Of course, we have it in the dinette, so that way we can play cards and everything in between campers here.
I dig the black cushions.
Yeah.
These are nice.
Nice and water resistant, too. It's not that cloth.
Right.
It's going to absorb, SpaghettiOs and stuff like that.
Yep.
Storage underneath.
Yep. Does it go all the way? Yep,
Oh,
goes
yeah,
all the way
goes
back.
all the way back.
And there's this. I just noticed this. I know
Yep.
what this is.
Goes
For
right in
the
that sink. Yep.
There you go. Good size sink for a smaller RV like this.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Look at all that counter space.
Mm-hmm. And of course, nice big cabinetry above the sink there. And they continue that black glass look that is over the bed.
Above and below. So there you go.
Now, one thing they did in here, they didn't do microwave above because they don't have an oven down here, so they just move the microwave down.
Okay.
And of course, 12-volt refrigerator to match the solar panels on the outside. So that way the solar panels charge the battery. Batteries run basically everything inside the camper.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yep.
We'll talk about the air conditioner here in a minute, just so folks know. Compact little bathroom. I'm going to step out. So, well, here, I'll do it. I know you guys want to see. I'll step inside. I am 6 feet tall, so we've got a bit of the sun roof. What's it called? I keep forgetting.
Skylight.
Skylight. Daggone.
It can't really justify that one being a skylight with this big moonroof up here.
That's true. That's true. We'll just call this extra space for the taller people.
Yep.
Obviously, I at 6 foot would need this, so it's nice it's there. But I've got another 4 inches above me or so. So yeah, it's compact, but it's a smaller RV. And if you're out and roughing it in the middle of nowhere, having an RV, this is a lot of space in here though, a lot of space in the bathroom. But if you're out roughing it in the wilderness, it's a lot nicer to have this than just standing behind a tree or washing off at a bucket. So this is cool. I'm assuming this comes with it. Nice little storage space.
Yep.
Just to put some essentials up in there.
Yep. Slips right on the back of the door, and of course that's movable,
Yeah,
so you can.
it's great. And there's another more. It's deep. It goes all the way back. So one slide. Obviously, we didn't mention the slide, but I think you can tell there's a slide in here. Let's talk about the air conditioning unit. We haven't talked about those yet.
So this camper, of course, because they put the big, not justified at all, big hole in the roof. It's not ducted throughout the camper, so this is just a basic air conditioner that dumps directly out of it. And of course, there's a furnace on the floor. So
Okay.
Basic air conditioner, still 15,000 BTUs though, so it's going to keep this basically a nice box in here
Yeah.
when you need it to be.
Absolutely.
But-
All right. So my favorite thing about this RV is that moonroof.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. But what is yours? If you can't pick this, because I already picked this as my favorite thing, what's your favorite thing about this RV?
Towability, as well as because you can use anything. You don't have to have a big truck to do it, as well as the off-grid capabilities. So say you trying to go 4th of July camping and you can't get one of those nice big sites, you could take this to say a tent site and still use a lot of the stuff in here. Obviously you're not using air conditioner or TV and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
you can still enjoy your camper, keep your food cold, stuff like that. So
Love it. Yeah.
that solar
That's
panel
awesome.
will expand your camping abilities. So.
Okay. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. And there's space for the TV. We didn't mention that, but there's a backer right over there, so you have TV if you want it. Love it. All right. So if you're looking for a little RV, just for you and your significant other, I'd say this might be the way to go. This might be my favorite so far because of that moonroof, the Stargazer. Stargazer, whatever you want to call it. You can call it whatever you want if it's your RV. All right, so jump in, get hold of us. We would love to see you in one of these.
Absolutely.